In this video, I'm going to show you how a staff member can complete the roll call in Konnect if this setting is enabled. To enable the roll call, you're going to go to your settings in Kidsoft, and under Konnect, you will see the roll call setting. Switching over to Konnect, once a staff member signs in, they will notice that they've got the roll call feature on the top right hand corner, and they've also got it on the left hand side menu. If they have their dashboard set at all rooms and they click on the roll call menu, it will then ask them to select a specific room. In the roll call feature, it will only list children that are currently signed in for that room. So let's look back at this particular room. We have 3 children booked in, 2 currently signed in, but 1 has been marked absent. So this is why there are only 2 children listed for this roll call. If we click into another room, you will notice that we see no records available if there are no children signed in for this room. And you can see, looking back at the overview of this room, we do not have any children currently signed in. So switching back to a room where we can use the roll call, if they are all present and accounted for, you can simply click on select all. That will highlight all of those children listed, and you can click save roll call. You do have the ability to enter in a description. Maybe this will then list on the roll call report that's available in Kidsoft. On the roll call, you also have the filters menu. This allows you, just like your sign in and out feature, it allows you to search the children via tags, which then just lists the children applicable with that tag selection. You also have the ability to filter by tag, just like you can in the sign in and out. So this allows you to generate the list via a tag, which then just reduces your list. This helps for OSH services if you're wanting to build your list out for specific grades or classes, for example. So we have marked our children present that have been accounted for when counting heads and marking those children in for the roll call. We've added our description, and now we're going to click save roll call. This can be done multiple times throughout the day, and then switching back over into Kidsoft, under the reports menu and under other, you will see roll call. If we generate the roll call for today, we will then see our listed roll call. It will list the number of roll calls per day, so you can see this one is the first entry for today, the number of children that are currently signed in, the head count matched, the staff member that completed the roll call. If any tags were used, this will be listed under the filter, and there's our comment that we added into the description. For any further information on our roll call feature in Konnect, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.